He manu te mirumiru, hoia tēnei ko te momo manu I whāngai ia pē I te whē. He muri mai I tana whānautanga mai I te kēkē o tana whāia ahi mea mai. Kua tū kē ngā whare o te puari ki whāngarei ko torongare ki kawakawa o ngā tihi mea maru. Kei te taha mai o hine amaru o hangangia he whare tiaki tanariki. E ai ki te rongo I tai mai ki au, e mea hanga kia rite te kōpū o hine amaru o na ahi. Ko te take pia I pēnei ai, o ngā pēpi o te kāinga, ka uru atu ki te wāhi nei, ka whangaia ki te ora, te mātauranga, te Ngāti Hinetanga, a te tupuna nei.
For myself and our kaiako, ko te mea nui, ko te reo. That's my driving force, but for our kaiako, it's all about our tamariki, learning in their natural environments. And that pretty much wraps it up, natural play. So everything that they breathe, smell, touch, their learning is through these senses. We also have a RIE philosophy, so in that we allow the child to determine what their learning is going to be here at Te Mirumiru, which is a new way of learning that we've implemented in the last 12 months and really started solidifying it this year.
Because this is how I was raised, I went to Kohanga Reo and I went to Kura Kaupapa, and to then be an adult and then come back and to be able to give back to the tamariki, that's a lot, that's everything for me.
We have so much freedom and so much real life experiences that we can give our children, and it gives them great meaning. Like, we're like aunties, and you know, that's what you want, because you want the tamariki to feel like they have a place to belong, like a home setting, a home environment. Yeah, so that's why we're very like relaxed, chill, like there's no like teacher, child. We are equal, and that's why I think it's special about Te Mirumiru, that.
Oh, Eva girl.
It's definitely more Whanau-centric here. Like, I love that my baby learns to shell oysters. That's really cool. Like, it's amazing to be able to bring your baby to school, and like, they're the most precious tonga that we have, and to bring them somewhere that I know that they're going to be well looked after and well loved. Like, I know that all the teachers here will treat our babies as their own, more than their own. So that's really important.
They're allowed to be free range here. You know, they're in control of their play, they use the natural resources. Yeah, that kind of stuff is encouraged. Yeah. It's more free play than organised play, if you know what I mean. It's similar to the way that I grew up. So I grew up in rural Mutato. I've got little George of the Jungle kids, and it fits, you know, they fit in here.
My dream and my goal is that our tamariki understand the value of what it is to be Māori, and especially if they're from the local iwi. Well, without the whānau, nothing grows, essentially. And so for us, our tamariki are our taonga. So this is what we're talking about. We're talking about the future of these mokopuna, because they're our future leaders.
Nā reira, ki au, he rite te mahi a te whare nei, ki ngā mahi a te mirumiru, I whāngai, I a whē, kia ora ai a ngā tihine, ki tōna ora I te wāne. Me matua mōhi o te puari ki te rerekētanga o ngā kupu ngā tihine nei, e te mea e hāngai ana ki te whare nei. Te wā e noho ana te pēpi ki te kōpū o tōna whāia, he kō hunga ia. Ka whānau mai ki te ao tūroa, e noho nei tātou, ka huaina, he kō hunga te pēpi. Nā erima henare.